Parent stock needs carefully chosen lighting to balance behavior, fertility, and welfare. So, which colors support these birds best? Cool white can improve growth but may increase unwanted behavior, so use it with caution. Warm white helps keep birds calmer and reduces activity. Monochromatic blue light, used on its own, is ideal for handling and layer breeders, but keep in mind this might not be applying for broiler breeders. Red mixed with white reduces feather pecking by hiding blood or wounds. Red used on its own should only be used in severe pecking cases. Want more lighting guidance tailored to parent stock? Follow us for deeper insights on light, welfare, and performance.